we are expected to find the number of atoms of iron present in this sample that has a mass of 22.4 grams. We are going to employ the method of dimensional analysis in this video. So let's go straight up into the solution. Yes, we're starting with 22.4 grams of the sample. And of course, we're given the molar mass of iron and the Avogadro's number. Let's start straight off with 22.4 grams of the sample. 22.4 grams of iron. And the method of dimensional analysis involves unit cancellation. So I like to set up this denominator to cancel that value there. So gram of iron, I have 56 gram of iron in 1 mole of iron. And that's 1 mole right here. 1 mole of iron has a mass of 56 grams. That's the concept of the molar mass. So as you can see, the gram of iron already takes care of the gram of iron there. And now we continue the process, taking care of this 1 mole. So in 1 mole of iron, 1 mole of iron here, 1 mole of iron contains the Avogadro's number, which is 6.02 times 10 to the power 23rd. The Avogadro's number. So 1 mole of iron contains 6.02 times 10 to the power 23 atoms of iron. Atoms of iron present. And now by multiplying out these values, already units can cancel out. Gram of iron in the numerator area cancels gram of iron. Mole of iron cancels mole of iron. And the surviving units will be atoms of iron. By multiplying this using an electronic calculator, we have the final answer, 2.408 times 10 to the 23rd power. Atoms of iron. I'll simply write iron atoms. And that is very simple. Our final answer, which is actually the option B right there. All right. Attached to this video are 2 quizzes that you can attempt to demonstrate your understanding of the content of this video. In addition to that, there is a link in the pinned comment that leads you into taking a quick test on chemical composition stoichiometry. There are 20 questions to be attempted in 30 minutes. I encourage you to take that test to check your mastery of the topic or your understanding of the topic, chemical composition stoichiometry. And to foster understanding, there is the link in the pinned comment still that takes you to the full analysis of the topic, chemical composition stoichiometry. So enjoy learning and then attempt the questions attached. Thank you for being part of this session. And of course, I look forward to seeing you in my next video.